Hey guys, we got you back here. So we're working on the start or non-start issue, and we have come to the conclusion that there's an issue inside of this box that's under the dash. We checked the neutral safeties. It's working like it's supposed to. We have continuity through the wire down to the start post from the barrel connector that comes here, the engine side connector. This comes from the under the dash, or the barrel connector comes from under the dash here. So we took this apart and we don't really see an issue, but I can't find a schematic of what is supposed to be happening inside here. I think that the majority of this is glow plug related operation, which seems kind of redundant, but or maybe overkill should be a better word for that. It seems like this is way complicated to run a glow plug. So I think what we're going to do, this wire is the wire that's going out. Let me get you back in frame here. This wire is the wire that goes out to the start post. And this, can't really see it, this gray wire goes right there beside that one. Right there. See that nut right there? That's where it goes. So I think that we're going to pull this circuit board off and look behind it, make sure there's nothing that it jumps out. And then I think we're just going to connect these two wires and try it. Let me show you what we found. So this is the relay for the start, but there's a burnt terminal right there. So we're going to work on that. We got the control box put back in. There it is right there. Let's see if it works.